Good day, everybody. Welcome to Charlie's and Sophia's World. It was a new shopper who called Jessie Cake. You see, it says location. Beep. Jessie Cake visits Britain. It says 2 exclusive Shopkins plus suitcase. It says download the app. Twist says vacation again. It says pack your bags and make your way to the deeper language. The Shoppy's World vacation is now boarding. Visit fabulous cities and share some high-flying fun with these world-class Shoppies and the Shopkins friends. Bon voyage! English shows and Princess Sweets.
Shh, Charlie.
Open it.
Okay.
Show.
Look.
Show the camera.
It was
Show.
a luggage tag.
Oh, it's a luggage.
Ooh.
Oh, it says here's a Jessie Cake. Here it says World
Can I see
Vacation.
it?
But that's when you can save in your luggage. See a string. Let's open it up, this doll. Let's see if we can get it out. There we go. There we go. Cool. Got it. Oh no, her shoe came loose. It's okay. There we go. Look, this is Jessie Cake with her gallons of blue hair and red string hair. She popped out. So it was her British skirt, her blue eyes. So once, when Jessie Cake was an original Shoppy, now she became Chef Club, and now she keep being a British Shoppy. Ooh, even a stand. But that looks like it was like a different stand. It just looks. So let's open it up. This passport. Whoa. You see, it says check out Shopkins World app. Step 1, download Shopkins World app. Step 2, enter Shoppy's passport number. Step 3, claim your Shoppy reward. So it's named Jessie passport number.
Charlie,
So
take her bag out.
it was like, sure,
What else
here's
does she
Jessie Cake's British
Oh, she has some luggage.
luggage. Oh dear. It just looks like a luggage. Open it up to see who's inside. Ooh, nothing's in here.
Put her
You can
passport.
store your passports. So, let's open it up. Let's pop out English Rose. Pop out English Rose. Pop out English Rose. English Rose. There's English Rose. English Rose. It looks like a UK flag here, like pink frosted strawberry English cupcake. See, it's all of indigo blue. It looks like a royal princess bag. Okay, sorry English Rose, you're too big. Jessie Cake is going on a vacation. I'm going to Britain in the UK. So, this is his princess seat. So it's like a red crown on top. So, bye everyone.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Have fun at Britain. Bye.